In today's video, I'm making chicken cacciatore. I had to be gone for the day, so I put everything together the night before. This morning I got up, I stuck it into the crock pot, turned it on low, left it for the day, came home, and look at this. I just made some rice. I'm going to pull the chicken thigh out. It's so tender. Look at that. Oh, it is so delicious. I'm going to show you how I put this together, how easy it is to put this together. So I hope you'll come along with me. And now I'm going to take the ragu. I love this stuff. It's so good. It's nice when you're in a hurry. I'm going to pour it into the bottom here. Now I'll take my 2 chicken thighs and I just want to place them in just like this. Once you get them in, you're going to take the ragu and you're going to put it over the top of them. Just like that. And I'm going to take some cut up green pepper and I'm going to lay it over the top of them, just like that. Grab some onion and I'm going to put the onions on top of the green pepper. Now I'm going to take 1 cube of the chicken bouillon. I'm going to put it in this little dish. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for a minute and just get it to be a little softer. And then I will add it to the crock pot, just like that. I just want to make sure it's dissolved. It'll dissolve more in there in the crock pot, but I like to make sure it's pretty well dissolved before I put it in. That way I know it'll be all over, just like that. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with some garlic powder and some onion powder. I also want to add in some thyme, so I'll put just a little bit of that in there. I get this done, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and I will be back after it is done. And it is the next day. We just got home. I'm going to put this in and check the temperature of the thigh and see how it's doing. Looks like we're good. It is done. So I'm going to dish this up and show you what it looks like. We like to put this over rice, so I'm just going to put some of the rice on the plate. Might get a little bit more, just like that. A nice bed to lay the chicken thigh on. And look how good this looks. Oh my goodness. And you've got all that juice that you can put on the top. I'm just going to lay this right on top and I'm going to grab a little bit of that juice and more of those peppers. And grab this spoon. Just get a little bit of that with the sauce on there all over the plate. Oh my gosh. I wish you could smell my house right now. It smells amazing. This is such a quick and easy dinner to make. It's nice that I was gone all day today and I was able to come home. All I had to do was make rice and this dinner was ready. I really hope you give this recipe a try. This is a good one. And I want to thank you so much for watching today. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button.